So I've actually been using this bag for about 2 or 3 years, and I thought to myself, it is definitely time for an upgrade. Okay, you guys, so here's the Joligrace makeup train case that I purchased from Amazon. This is how I received it in the mail, and I really do appreciate the seller for covering the box with bubble wrap because the exterior of this case is so beautiful, and the bubble wrap helps to protect and minimize any damages during the transit. The case is pretty heavy, so the best way for me to get it out of the box was to turn it on its side and use the excess bubble wrap at the top to slide it out. Once you're able to get the bubble wrap off, you'll see how beautifully made this case is. The exterior of this case gives me very much luxury vibes. The handle has a cardboard protective sleeve around it, and then you have two latchkey locks that you can use to open the case. When you open the case, you'll see that there's two trays and they fold outward to kind of expand in this cascading frame where you can access each of them. And this is what it looks like on the inside of the case. There's a lot of space in this thing. So let's take a look at what's inside. This is a wide band shoulder strap and it can be added to the case. I don't know what that is on there. I'll just use some alcohol or Lysol wipe to get that off. But I like the band, and you can attach it to the makeup case by the clasps here. It also comes with some removable dividers. These help you to kind of create a unique sizing of each compartment based on your specific needs. And then there are some instructions inside that also show you how to lock those dividers in place and how to customize the kit to your liking. They also give you some smaller dividers to customize your fold-out tray section. And then there's a little silica gel pack inside. I tossed that in the trash. Um, and then you have a set of two keys. And there are also a set of keys attached to the handle of the case. So just in case you lose the key, you'll have plenty of backups. All right, so let's try out these compartment dividers. Now, the dividers on the bottom are pretty sturdy, and they are just a little hard to get in, so you may have to use a little string to kind of push the dividers in place. And that's a good thing, actually, because at least you know once you have the dividers in place, you won't have to worry about them coming out easily and, disorganizing your things. I will say, you guys, for the price and the quality of the exterior of this case, I was a little underwhelmed by the inside of the makeup case. The inside reminds me a lot of the Relavel Travel makeup case, and I paid 3 times as much for this Jolie Grace makeup case than I did for the Relavel case. So the familiar interior of the cheaper case was just a little disappointing. So now you have 5 different compartments you can use on the bottom. So it's pretty cool, right? So they do also give you the same type of little dividers for your smaller fold-out trays. And you actually have several of these. It's maybe like 3 per row. Now, these are not as hard to put in as the ones on the bottom are, but they're still pretty secure. And you can just make these sections smaller or bigger based on the size of your products. So overall, the Jolie Grace makeup train case is a nice heavy duty case. I mean, it's visually fashionable and edgy. Um, this case has a lot of space, especially if you have an extensive makeup collection. The adjustable compartments make it easy to personalize the case to fit your needs. But I would really be mindful that this kit is pretty heavy without products. So just keep in mind that the weight will increase as you add products into it. I do like that you get two sets of keys, and I think the locks are a great addition to the case, especially if you are a professional makeup artist or lash tech who tends to travel with your tools. It's really just for anyone like me who wants to organize your things. This is a really great option. I definitely recommend this case, and I will provide a link to it down below in the description bar should you decide that this one is one that you would like to try. I'll also include the Relavel travel makeup case so that you can kind of see the difference or the similarities in the inside or the interior of the makeup cases. So I will drop those down in the bottom for you. So guys, I hope that you've enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Don't forget to like, comment, and share, and I will see you guys again in my next video.